Okay, let's go
Get
record.
started.
Okay, so basically, we just don't show you how can we add our phone credit on our account. So it already we can also add on our free account. Okay, so today I will show you how can we add phone credit 1500 phone credit on our free account. Okay, so just okay, so here is brother, here is your account, $19 account. You can renew this monthly, right?
Okay.
$90 on $19. And if you buy annual, then they will charge $15 per month. Okay, so
Okay. I'll check
this
into it.
is, yeah, you can check this.
Okay.
Okay, so first I will open a free account that's we will create in our first class. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
okay, this is our first class and we will create this account and we can do everyone to create like this account. Just I wanna open a account first.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, oh, sorry, forget. Okay, oh, thank you, brother. I will forget this.
No worries.
Okay, okay, now it's showing.
Yeah, it's showing
Yeah.
now.
Okay, so okay, just I will open the follow and after that I will just open here on our created fake account like
Mm-hmm.
this one. Oh, sorry, there is many click. Okay, and after that we just give the password and log in this. Okay, so here first we'll check the credit on our account. Using credit, we can see here we have 100 email credit and 10 phone credit. Okay, so we will
Mm-hmm.
update this credit on 10,000 email credit and 1500 phone credit per month. We will just do it. So first we need to a Outlook account. Last also when we do the 10K export 10K email credit, then we will also connect our Outlook mail. And when we need to do the phone credit, same thing, we need to connect our Outlook mail.
Okay.
Okay,
And
so
can
this
we do
is,
this with Google,
yeah, this is
Business
the
Google?
Google, yeah. Microsoft login.
No,
Oh, yeah.
this is Microsoft. Can we do
Yeah.
this with Gmail?
No. We can't do this by Gmail. We need to a Outlook mail.
Okay.
Okay. We need to Outlook business mail, not a single Outlook mail. We need Outlook business mail for increase our credit. So
Okay.
this is my Outlook account. We need to log in this. Okay. Okay, we just log in our Outlook account, and after that we just go to our profile and connect the mailbox, link mailbox, and select on Hotmail, Outlook mail.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we just select our account and okay, we just waiting for complete this. Uh, okay, so great job, your email is sent. We just click on next, and some are not. Next option is working, then we just click on skip this. Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. It will be done. Okay, then after that we just check our credit. Okay, we already got 10,000 email credit, but the phone credit is still not here. Okay, so now we are working. How can we get the phone credit and some maybe 3,000 email credit, export credit we can uh, get. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
then we can also remove here, unlink here the mailbox. Our mailbox link work is done. Okay, so that's don't need now. And after that, we just going to update plan and select here the monthly package. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
monthly package, and after that select the free version. Select the free
Mm-hmm.
version, and here we need to create seat. Like uh, we can create here 300 seat, but we don't do at a time. First time 300 seat. We just first do 20 seat, like this 20 seat,
Mm-hmm.
and we need to wait. Okay, it will be done, and after that we already got 100 credit. Okay, we already
Mm-hmm.
got 100 mobile number credit, and also 200 export credit. We already got this. After that,
Okay.
we go again the upgrade plan and select the monthly package and select on free, and here we do at a time 300 seat. No thanks, continue and confirm.
Mm.
Okay, it will be done. So now you can see here already we got the 1500 mobile number credit, and also we got 3000 export credit. Okay,
Mm.
and here 3000 export credit, 10,000 email credit, and also 1500 number credit. Okay,
Mm.
so here is the
Okay.
system. We can increase our credit, and after that we can use normally like or before. Okay, and if you face any kind of issue to using or doing this method, then feel free to ask me any kind of question, and we will do personally session, or if you need personal any support, then you can also inform me, then I will give you all kind of support, inshallah. So that's our course in all over. And if you need any kind of issue or any kind of tips and tricks like this, or if any kind of error if you face, then you can feel free to ask me any question, and I will help you on this. Okay. So just we need to buy Outlook and Outlook business mail. And this is the first month is free on Outlook mail. And after that, maybe we need to pay some charge on Outlook. Okay. So that is the system.
Mm-hmm.
And we can do this type of account. We can create this type of account anytime. Okay. So now we just stop the recording because